Familiarize yourself with the 2020 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and much more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.